What the? Get that out of my face! Anyway, I'm gonna be playing Granny Grand. Big Grand. Turn that music off. Turn it up. Okay. I'm gonna be playing Granny. I can't play Granny. I'm scared. I can't play no horror games, bro. Oh, but you were playing Radiant Residence. Oh, but this and this and this and that. Radiant Residence don't count. Neither does That Is Not My Roblox in. Those ain't scary games. I'm not saying Roblox games can't be scary. But bro, they wasn't scary, bro. I'm like, let me be for real. Alright. Dang, I'm gonna slow as it. Open the door. Shut that door. Turn the sensitivity up. Turn it up. See, y'all, I can't play horror games. I can't do all of them. I'm scared. She gonna get me. I'm a hacker. Granny, you know you can't get me? Now give me a kiss. Oh, yeah. Alright, let me quit, because, you can't be doing a lot. I gotta be for real. Y'all didn't see that? Oh, easy. No, that's not regular. I don't know what y'all talking about. Y'all tripping. Anyway. It's cold up in my room, bro. It's cold. It's chilly. Let me put some music on. Y'all might not be able to hear it, but I'm still be listening to it in the back. Anyway. Man. Ooh. Fingers in the air. Hell yeah. Anyway, let me open it. Leave this house. Ain't nobody quite like me. Cause my name is Shitty G. Where's she at? Where'd she start off at? She start off here? I'm scared. Turn it up. Stop. Why am I so slow? I'm really obese. I'm scared. Oh, that's loud. I don't want y'all ears to bleed. Sorry, guys. Yo, I'm the shit, man. Open this shit up real quick. Granny, you know you have blonde. She coming through? I'm a rapper. I'm a rebel. It's itching. Okay. Let me stand up. Oh, there's that special education key. I know all y'all probably know what it says already. I'm still gonna read it. This is my 5th day. Oh, this is my 5th day in this house. She chases me wherever I go. I'm quite injured, and my body hurts. The only thing I can remember before I woke up in this house is that I was driving, and my car just suddenly broke down. I went out to see what was the problem, and I was hit suddenly in the head. I managed to open a pair of locks on the front door, but that's all. Why did she do this? I hope no one will experience the same thing as I did. If I do not survive, and if someone follows this message, I have noticed that she sometimes hides things inside fruit. How did that make a sound? That's a note. But I can't exactly call him because I didn't pay my phone bill. Anyway, let me go up to the special ed room. Tell my Mexican friend you need to speak American. Tell my Mexican homeboy speak American. Anyways, man, girl, I'm a rebel. Oh, here's the piece of a shotgun. Yeah. If I do this, will she hear it? Will she hear that? Am I tripping? I'm scared. I don't like horror games. Even if it's something as unscary as Granny, I still hate it. I gotta go up them boo-boo stairs, man. Oh! Move! Ooh. Man, that actually scared me. Told y'all I can't fucking play horror game, man. I'm scared. Granny, don't eat me. I'm not a chicken wing. Throw that ass in a rhombus. Anyway. Where's she at? Yeah, you know your old self can't get down in this hole. You ain't the nun. You know you can't bend over like her. You know she flexible. Ooh. Turn this on some more. Why so low? You're like, like, ah! Bro, move. Dang. Come up on me. I know you want me. I know you want me. But you can't have me. You ain't my girlfriend. You gonna leave me alone. Righty so. Boo, what you looking at? You want me so bad. I know you want me. But it ain't happening, bro. You gotta be careful. This old ass lady, bro. Give me the heebie-jeebies. I'm scared. Close this door. Say I won't. Get back into this bed, bro. What am I talking about, bro? With some say I won't. Yo, she want me so bad. Like, she smell me. She smelled my perfume. That Estee Lauder perfume, bro. Like, she smell it. She want it. Anyway. Shut that shit. Anyway. Man, I'm scared. I don't know where she at, man. Actually, let me open this door back up. I don't know where she at. I'm trying to... Can't see! I wish I can go down there and, like, look. Is she gone? Did she go downstairs? I think she did. Close up. Open this. I remember when this update, like, first came out with the spider or whatever. Ugly motherfucker too. Anyway, I need to get some meat. Call me Arby's, cause you know I got the meat. Okay, I'm gonna get this so I can give me an extra day, cause I know I'm gonna keep losing and dying and all that. I can feel it in my ass. Where you at? You old bitch. Come on. Come up here. Yeah. Bye. Yeah, you already know I hit that jiggy, jiggy, jiggy. I be getting jiggy every Saturday morning. What am I talking about, man? I don't even know what's happening. Should I try and do that boo-boo? Goo-goo? What? Should I try and do that boo-boo car route? I'm gonna just do whatever. Like... whatever I see fit. Oh, bro, I thought she killed me for a second. I was like, how?
I see you.
Granny got like a 4-story house, man. Wait, hold up, it's itching. Basement. Oh, second basement with the car. Basement. Main floor. The second floor, and then the attic. 5 stories. Granny, you're rich. Dang, fix this place up, Granny. Shit. Fix it up, you have your little hotel, you know, make some money. You can kill them niggas for real. You hide behind this real quick. Let me get down. Let me get down a little. Granny, you know your old ass can't come through here. You know you're not her, Gran. Yeah, bye, Granny. And lock the door. Bye. Turn it on. You're cooked. Literally. Anyway, let me get out of let me get out of here before she break out. Cause then I'm toast. I'm burnt. Cooked. Boiled. Give me this. For 2 minutes. Ooh, I'm good. Actually, put this shit on the table. I don't need it right now. Granny. Granny, I'm beating you up. Granny, it's on sight. Once I get that shotgun, once I get that whatchamacallit, it's over for you. You're cooked. I love this song. Open this up. Yeah, give me a fucking watermelon. How she got a watermelon? Like, I'm just saying, how you got a watermelon, but you don't got no food in the house? How do you put a key in a watermelon? Anyway, let me do this real quick before she wake back up. Here, hold this. Let me hit one of them. Give it to me. Master key. What does that go to? I don't even remember that shit goes to. I'll just be honest with you, bro. I do not remember. Wait, doesn't that go to the master bedroom? The bedroom upstairs? I'm so smart. That was not even me. I'm not that big. Don't do that. Is she back alive? You know what? Yeah. Drop that. Drop it low. Drop it low. Okay, give me that. I don't even remember what the range go to either, so don't even ask. Ask. Okay, open this shit up. Yup. Drop that real quick. Man, I gotta go all the way back down there. Man, I wanna do this. Wish I could run up in this game, man. I'll run straight to down here. Straight to down here. Yo, I'm so smart. Anyway, let me get back up here before she eat me. That sounds like her running after me. Full speed. Maximum. I know her ass gonna come alive. Let me get under her. I'm waiting for her to drop that boo-boo spider key. Sigh.
Where are you?
Sleep. Now leave me alone, you old saggy. Sagtastic. Ain't no way he been gone for some 9 months. Boy, you need to come back. Madison, who are you talking about? Nobody. Nobody at all. Ain't you supposed to come alive? When is you coming alive? Bitch. Oh, I think ain't no spider room on easy mode. Move out my way. But I think it was on there when I did practice mode. Give me this. Give me this. Where's she coming from? What door is she going through, bro? Man, I'm just going. Yeah, I'm going straight back here too. She on me. He's on me. He's on me. I'm going straight outside. Bye. I'm jumping. I'm a jumper. Man. Break my leg. Girl, shut up. Make me break my leg. Man, I'm hungry. I'm not trying to be like, I don't know. But queso ain't even that big to me. Maybe it's because I'm a big back and like, of course you don't think he's big. Y'all are literally twinning. But like, I just don't think he's that big. Like, y'all always just doing the most. He ain't even that big. He only looks like he's like 240 or 250 maybe. And he looks like muscled up a little bit. Like, that's literally my man. You know that's my man. You know that's my man.
In New Mexico, the law states that everyone has the right to vote, except for idiots, as well as people who have been convicted of felonies. Because this law doesn't give a legal definition as
You know that's literally my man. Like, okay, so that's literally my man. Patty, he does not want you. I don't care. And I asked who he wanted. I said that's my man. So get it right. Where does this lens go to? But there's no real chance, so I went down south, but I ended up north. A winch handle, and I know it's gonna open up. It's gonna be that teddy bear room. Hi, baby. But I ain't doing all that until I knock her out or something. Man. I'm just itching, man. My arm itching and everything. Where's she at? What's she take for it? See, there she go. See, right as soon as I'm trying to come out the room, trying to do my thing, she just come out of nowhere, like, y'all see how she want me? Like, she just, bro, I thought she came through the cross space. Also, I'm like, what? Anyway. Where's she at? I don't care, because I'm going either way. Bye-bye. Yeah, I'm good. What is this? Give me that. Need breaths. Fuck the click you with. I'm finna fuck the bitch you next to. Man, I don't even care. Open this shit up. Open it. Piece of a painting. Give me this. I know she my aunt. Where you at? Where you at? Oh, she right behind me now. Bitch. Bro, I literally spray her. We could fight. Whoever made this game, we fighting in real life. In real life, too. Bow, bow, bow. Knuckle to knuckle. Deep breath. What's how it go like? Don't blame the game, blame the player or something. I don't fucking remember. This shit's still locked. I mean, unlocked. No, not that, not that. I remember what to do. Granny, shut your ugly ass up. I'm cooked. I knew I was finna get jump scared and I still got jump scared. I'm actually special, bro. Yeah.
If you're tired of childish and censored social media apps,
What?
then you should try ABPV. It's America's best pictures and videos with more adult content and less censorship.
What?
So open the App Store or Google Play and download it now.
Why are you telling me this? Yo, should I get that? No, I'm just fucking with you, bro. I'm not retarded like that, man. Move on my way. I don't care about that boo-boo. A, B, D, B, P, L, or A, B, C, D. Whatever it was. DSBM. I fuck with DSBM. Y'all know DSBM? I don't know if I can be your homeboy. Your homegirl. Don't this work? Don't this work right here? Yeah. Let me hold on this bed. Yeah. Baby, I'm the baddest. Baby, I'm the Actually, man up. Fuck this old granny. New York Knives and everywhere. 6. Give it to me. Give it to me. Bro, I'm cooked. Where's she at? Where you at? Where is she coming from? Oh, that way? Oh, yeah. You're cooked. Bitch, nigga. Ooh, I did not do that, bro. On jaw. Granny, you know you can't see. Either way, you can't see. Open that door. Come get me, Granny. Let me shut that door on her. No, man, that shit risky as hell. Get back in the house. Let me get back in the house. God. Get this boo-boo 3008 pallets on my face. Talking about I can't get out the house unless I'm standing on it. Bye. Don't do that ever again. Baby, you're the baddest girl. Nobody else matters. Nobody else matters, girl. Listen to me, man. Listen to me, Bible, girl. Where is everything at? Did she? Okay, she dropped the little key. Spider key. Get under here. Ow, my leg is itching, bro. Yeah, hurry up. Once I hit night 5 and I die on night 5, bro, I ain't coming back. I mean, I'm gonna do part 2 maybe. But like, I'm not putting almost another Five Nights at Freddy's, bro. I'm cooked anyway. Where's she at? Oh my god. Get that old ass out of here, man. Always doing the most. Stop. That actually scared me so bad. I jumped back in my chair. Shut that door. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Open it. Shut it. My heart is beating so fast, bro. That woke me up, bro. What? That scared me. I said, oh. Every time I get scared, that's how I be like. I'm like, oh. So tired. Like, what the Sigma? Anyway. I ain't even looked up in here. Anything in there? Anything in the pot? Car key, made for that car key, dude. Posing as a little girl. Shut the door. Yes, I made it just in the nick of time. Where's she at? Yeah. You can't see me? Yeah. How about that? Your old ass. Get out of my face. You my op. Yeah, I know you heard that too. Yeah, bend over. Ooh. Yeah, Granny, you my up. Once I get out this prison, and I'm beating your ass. I'll make you bite the curb too, boy. And I'm gone. Fuck, I'm not gone. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm not cooked. Yay. I'm fucking gangster. Yes! I love being a gangbanger. I'm struggling. I'm cooked. Silence, I said. What even is this structure? Like, you know, you go down the hole, right? Yeah. What is this? You fall through this, too. Oh, my leg. Ouchie! What is this? Right here. What is this? Anyway. Yeah, I hate spiders, bro. I be jumping with fear and hatred, bro. My crack hurt already. I'm doing the most and I just got in here. Doing the most. The very most. I'm gonna shut up, bitch. Skin you alive if I have to. Man, I'm gonna smack that spider. I'm gonna smack it. I'm gonna hump it. Look at that. How many buckshots to the face can you take? That shotgun don't look like it got buckshot, you know, bird shot. That's about it. You know. I'm gonna shut up. Yeah, I'm coming through, clearing out this hole, whatever it is. Secret entrance. No, what the fuck this shit is? A wheel crank? Get out of my face. Already doing the most. Already doing the most. The exact most. Let me go through here. Ooh, fat ass spider up in my face. Spider looking at a get out. Why am I using brain rot words? Damn special, guys. Let me go through here. What's up in here? Nothing. Screwdriver. A lever. A bolt cutter. And a rusty padlock key. 8 different things, but my forehead is itching, bro. I'm good. Let me get up in this elevator. I don't care what floor I'm going to. Shut the goddamn door. Oh, my fault. Oh, I forgot I gotta pick one of them boxes. I ain't even been looking around for that one and that too. I think I'm cooked, but I don't know. I don't care. That actually gave me a jump scare. And I farted because of it. And I don't know, twice because of it, bro. I don't know if y'all heard that. My stomach is hurting, bro. I think I'm in this video early because, bro, I'm not winning Granny one day, bro. I'm not winning this, bro. I'm not making it. I'm not making it out of Granny's house. Anyway, I'll see y'all next video. Maybe I'll upload tomorrow. Maybe I'll upload in 3 days. I'm just kidding. I don't know. I'll upload when I'm bored one day or one night. I'll see y'all fuckalugs later. Bye bye.